In the quest for creating serene and inviting living spaces, homeowners often turn to unique elements that not only beautify but also elevate the ambience. Among these, indoor tabletop fountains emerge as charming additions, infusing tranquility and a touch of nature into any room. These miniature water features captivate the senses with their soothing sounds and visually mesmerizing flows, making them popular choices for enhancing interior decor. Exploring design varieties. One fascinating aspect of indoor tabletop fountains is the vast array of designs available to suit diverse tastes and preferences. From sleek and modern styles that seamlessly blend with contemporary interiors to ornate, traditional designs reminiscent of ancient water features, there's something for every aesthetic inclination. Whether adorned with cascading tiers, illuminated with soft LED lights, or crafted from natural materials like stone and bamboo, these fountains serve as both functional decor pieces and conversation starters. Creating a tranquil atmosphere. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, indoor tabletop fountains play a significant role in fostering a tranquil atmosphere within the home. The gentle trickle of water emanating from these fountains acts as a natural stress reliever, promoting relaxation and mindfulness. Placing them strategically in living rooms or meditation spaces can enhance the overall sense of calm and well-being, providing a respite from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Maintenance and care. While indoor tabletop fountains offer numerous benefits, they require proper maintenance to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Regular cleaning of the fountain's components, such as the pump and basin, is essential to prevent algae growth and maintain water clarity. Additionally, monitoring water levels and refilling as needed helps preserve the fountain's functionality. By investing time and effort into upkeep, homeowners can continue to enjoy the tranquil beauty of their indoor tabletop fountains for years to come. Integration into home decor. One of the most appealing aspects of indoor tabletop fountains is their versatility in integrating seamlessly into various home decor styles. Whether adorning a minimalist coffee table, serving as a focal point on a mantelpiece, or accentuating a serene corner of the room, these fountains effortlessly enhance the aesthetic appeal of any space. By carefully selecting a fountain that complements existing furnishings and color schemes, homeowners can create cohesive interior designs that exude harmony and sophistication. Environmental and health benefits. Beyond their aesthetic and psychological advantages, indoor tabletop fountains also offer environmental and health benefits. The gentle sound of flowing water can help mask unwanted noise pollution, creating a more serene and peaceful indoor environment. Additionally, the process of water evaporation from the fountain's surface can naturally humidify the air, particularly beneficial in dry climates or during the winter months. Furthermore, studies have shown that exposure to the sights and sounds of water features can reduce stress levels, lower blood pressure, and improve overall well-being, making indoor tabletop fountains not just decorative accents, but also contributors to a healthier lifestyle.